No eggs, no butter, no oil. These delightful bread rolls are baked with coconut milk as the primary ingredient. It's very light, fluffy, and super airy. They taste so good. This recipe is pretty straightforward and you do not need a stand mixer. All you need is a big bowl. Please, if this is your first time on this channel, do subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. At this point, I'll be using my hands to bring the dough together. If you notice, I am not kneading the dough. All I'm doing is working the dough around the bowl so I could pick up all the particles which are left at the sides of the bowl. And what I'll end up with is a rough dough. That is okay. Please do not knead it now. In order to knead your dough, all you need is a little bit of flour to keep the dough from sticking and a flat surface. I am always very careful when it comes to adding flour. I normally add flour only when I think I cannot handle the stickiness of the dough. There are two simple steps required when kneading a dough. You use the heel of your hand to stretch the dough outward and you fold it back inward towards you. So you stretch it outward and fold back inward. You're going to do this continuously till the dough is very smooth. And this should take approximately 10 to 12 minutes.